Right. Today we are going to install Dashcam into our new 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This is the Dashcam I have purchased from Amazon. I will definitely put a link to reference. So the Dashcam comes with pretty much everything you need. Okay, so trim tool, tool to put the SD card or take the SD card out, USB cable, the part to connect camera to the windscreen, and this is the power source to connect or supply power through cigarette lighter connection. So the thing is, these USBs, these output is 5 volt, car battery is 12 volt. So pretty much this has a circuit, electronic circuit, which takes the 12 volt, converts it to 5 volts and a 5 volt DC and provides it to the camera. So that's why sometimes we need the hardwire kit, which you can buy from Amazon for about 15, somewhere from 15 to $30, and people throw this away. I think differently. I think that this is already there, so it's a waste of resources and not good for environment. So it's pretty easy to convert this to be used instead of hardwiring kit. So we will use this. I'll show you how to convert it. This is something I have ordered. This is to tap the fuse boxes. So we will find the fuse with 12 volt AC supply and tap that and connect. So the whole process, I will show you some tools, cramping tools to clamp the wires, soldering iron and solder to modify this one. So let's start. So you have to remember this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, and this was not easy to open, so I have to just cut it, break it open. So some of these connectors are much easier to open. So this is what it looks like. I have to further remove the parts so I can take the components out. So I am interested in the circuit board here. So I had to take it out somehow, figure out a way to take it out. If I press this thing, most probably, yeah, this will come out. Pause. So I was able to take it out. So the key thing again to remember is this is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. So I just have to extend two wires, a negative wire and a positive wire. So I'm going to solder it here. Here, this is the wire I am connecting with the negative terminal. So this is connected with the negative terminal. I'll make sure it's clean. So it's connected with the negative terminal. Now I have to do the same for the positive one. Here is the positive terminal. I'll just solder it here. So since we have, so I have connected this brown reddish wire for positive, and black for negative. I need to just save it, protect it. The best way is just wrap some electric tape around so it is secured and does not disconnect. So now we know this is the positive. This wire is positive. So let's peel this. So this is the positive wire. We have to connect with this to provide a positive supply. So I will use it here, and there is a clamping to this one. So here our positive wire is connected, and negative wire we will connect it with the car body somewhere. We'll figure out a way to connect it once we are downstairs. So now we have arranged the power supply. This is hard wire which you will buy for $15 to $30 from somewhere. We already made it. So let's go downstairs. I will use this tool to identify the live fuse where we are getting 12 volt when the ignition is on. So that's where I will power this up from. So here is the fuse box. With this tester I will turn on the ACC and find out where I'm getting 12 volts. So the other side I connect with the negative terminal. Here I'm getting here. So pretty much this second row, if I turn it off, do I still have the voltages here? Okay, so this is not what I want. I'll use paper. See, as soon as I turn on the ignition, it has a power. So this is the one I'm going to tap into. So I pulled out this fuse where I want to jump. So here I'm going to connect it here. So this fuse is for the existing circuit. This is new for the camera. So this will go here. Now we need to run the cable. Since I identified the place where I want to connect to. Let's connect the camera first. So I see this could be the ideal place for camera to be installed. You have to just align it a little bit. Yeah. This looks like a good place to start. Where the wire will go, let's connect the wire, the power. So I will just run it under the liner here. You know, maybe it's a good idea just to connect the wire and see if camera turns on before we run all the wiring. So I have connected it. Let's see if yeah, the camera turns on. So you can see the power I have connected there, and then for negative wire I have just touched it here, and that's the negative connection. Pretty much I will wrap it under this screw. So everything works fine. Let's put the wire in. So I'm just running the cable through this, and then I will remove this trim. So now I will run just the cable wire through this space. There is a lot of space here. This while holding the wire, I'll put this trim back so it goes through here, and so as I said earlier, we will connect the negative here, so I'll just loosen it up a little bit to get a good contact. So here is my negative wire. That should make a good contact. And where's my tool? Now I can tighten it up. So this is connected, negative is connected here, positive connected here, and pretty much that's it. I'll put all the wire back in here, or maybe here where I have the space, extra wire. Yeah, so all the cable is tucked in. I need to put this one back. The trim is back, and this plastic piece is back. So everything is tucked in. There is no visible wire other than this, which is okay. It goes inside. So I'll connect with the fuse box. So everything is done. So let's turn on and start it up. So it's powered on. Now we have to set it up. So camera works. I guess no one is interested in going into detail how to set it up. So let's save time. I'll set it up and show you it turns on. So it's all set up and it's recording. Let's test it whether it auto starts with the power on. I turned off the car. It will go off after 1 minute. It's just timer. So it turned off. Let's start and see if it turns on back on. It's on. Is it recording? Yes, you can see the red dot and it's recording. Voila, it's all set. This is how you install the dash cam.